the last class we have discussed about the Lamont boilers. Now we are going to discuss what are the parts available here and what is the purpose of this. Okay. So here the first one is economizer, air preheater, superheater, okay, and then convective evaporators. Okay. We are going to discuss about the four different parts here. Okay. So what is the purpose of air preheater? You have any idea? What is the purpose of air preheater? From the word, can you tell me? Or what is the purpose? Very good. Atmospheric air is getting heated. What is the need to heat that atmospheric air? Here, what is the need to heat that atmospheric air? Why we are heating the atmospheric air? Any idea? Because here, how the water is converted to steam? By what process? How combustion takes place? By burning the fuel. So we need air. So the air is what happens? Is preheated. Air is getting preheated before combustion. So that combustion takes place in an efficient manner. Can you understand? So this is why air preheater. What is the purpose of economizer? What is the purpose of economizer is to heat the water. Okay. Before converting water into steam, we are preheating the water. So where we are preheating, that part is called as an economizer. Can you understand? And what is superheater is we are converting water into steam. So again the steam is converted from wet steam to dry steam. So this dry steam is converted into superheated steam. So that part which is called as superheater. Okay. So what is the purpose of heat pump? I have discussed that it is used to pump the water. Okay. So what is the purpose of circulating pump is? They are circulating the water to this radiant evaporator and convective evaporator. So why this is radiant evaporator or why this convective evaporator is? Here the heating of the water takes place in more efficient manner. Okay, because it is nearer to the combustion chamber. Okay, so this zone is called as a radiant evaporator. This completely it is a combustion chamber. Here the fluid gas which is burnt comes here. So here it is radiant evaporators. Here it is convective evaporator. Okay, so these are the main parts of the Lamont boilers. Okay, so now I am asking the question that whether this air preheater, economizer, superheater is necessary here? Yes or no? Yes. How many of you are telling yes? How many of you are telling no? Why? Why? Why are you yes?
To reduce the time of the process, we need a air filters.
You are telling that you reduce the time. Okay. Any other answers?
For more efficient process.
To get more efficient. Okay. So okay. Any other answers? Based on this. Okay. So I will tell you here. So the conversion of water into steam takes place in this zone. It is completed. Okay. These are some additional things. So what is that is? The two types is boiler mountings and boiler accessories. Okay, boiler mountings and boiler accessories. We will see the next video. In the next session, we will see this. What is in detail? What is boilers? What is mountings, accessories? Okay. Here, this superheater, economizer. Without this Lamont boiler can function. Okay. But what happens is the efficiency will be lesser. Okay. The evaporation rate will be less. The conversion of water into steam will be, the timing and the efficient and the everything will be lesser. So when these things are added, what happens is it takes place more efficiently. with less time. So automatically what happens is the fuel will be saved. Okay. So here what is the difference between convective and radiant evaporators? In the evaporation it takes place by the radiant. In the last class we have discussed different modes of heat transfer. Okay. So here in convective what happens is when the fluid gas comes here, because of the tap it absorbs the heat. Okay. So in the steam drum, here there is a steam drum. It's very important. Here the separation of the steam and water takes place. So this steam drum is, we have a removal process. If any sludge is formed, we can remove this. Okay. So this is about the main parts of this remote boilers.